space hai ki nahi.
Started.
Thank you. So welcome to the workshop, and this is anxiety and fear with COVID. So this is the first time I am doing this particular workshop. So last COVID time I had done one, and this. So if you're asking me what prompted me, so many weeks I'm seeing all these deaths and dyings, and bed nahi hai, oxygen nahi hai, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai. So 1 week I think I took all that in my mind. So I got so bugged up with it. So one fine day I sat down in the middle of the night. I did my self work, only to know that I had picked up so much stuff I was not even aware of. So then I decided, why not do something wherein we actually are a part of the solution and not the problem. So as soon as I said this to my friend, she said that's a good tagline, and she added something to it. So that is it. So next workshop I'll put this as the tagline. Let's be a part of solution and not the problem.
Correct. Yeah, true.
And one more thing prompted. So as I said, if 7 people are there, I'll start. So last week, I am a part of the group, and it's like यहाँ पे ये bed नहीं है. So we are passing that information and putting in certain other groups. So these messages, I'm sure many of us are doing, back and forth. So it's like Jayanti sends some message and I'm sending it to Pavitra. Pavitra send it to somewhere else. And we've been doing this for quite some time. So one fine day in my school group, my friend sent a message that Supriya, the connect you had sent, he got the bed. He's doing fine. I don't know किसने भेजा था, क्या किया था. That touched my heart, basically. I was like, wow, we did something. Somewhere, my one message, it made a difference. So today I was like, why wait for 7 people? Let's see. So I remember I started my Soul Temple online workshop with only one person. And he was a colonel and cardiologist. And the way the workshop went was very brilliant. That prompted me, and today, next workshop will be 56th Souls Temple workshop. So that's been a phenomenal journey for me. So I thought one person, so we have in total we are 3 persons today. So that's the beauty of it. Okay, so let us see. So when we are talking about COVID, specific to COVID. So what do you feel right now? क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में, क्या चल रहा है?
Fearful situation. Like I told you, I'm basically from Jammu, so medical facilities are really bad. Bombay जैसे बड़े शहर में भी people are finding it difficult to manage beds, to manage medicines. Jammu is a small place. The medical system anyway is defunct. Now with COVID, it's worse. Like just now, like an hour ago, a friend called up to tell me that there is this friend of mine. She lost her father-in-law 2 days ago, and today she lost her mother. So of course, you worry about your people back home. You worry about your circle back home.
So Jayanti, what about you? I know. So you're better. I'm saying.
I am better. Anxiety, matlab only one thought is running, like this 14 days should run fast. So I started counting days now, or I'm on day 2 now.
So let me tell you something. Although no one is in quarantine right now, I think I am in self quarantine right now in Mumbai. So it's been, weekly once. I am just going out to tell myself that I am not in quarantine. It's a very strange phase I am also into. I think, of course, now my husband has started going to office and all. So it's just going down. He only gets the milk packet also. It's very rare that I am also stepping out of my house. So I think we are all in self quarantine. I can't say about that with you, but I am in that phase. So okay, so I was wondering how to go about with it, whether Souls Temple or Access or whatever it is. So okay, so Pavitra, let me start with you.
Yeah.
So when you're saying that you're worried about your parents and all, so what is the first thought that comes up for you?
That I just hope they get the proper medical aid when they need it, or if they need it at all.
Can you repeat?
Sorry?
Can you repeat?
I can't hear you.
Even I couldn't hear you. So can you just repeat?
Yeah, I said I just hope that if at all it comes to that, they should be able to get the proper medical aid. Right now, the way it is going in Jammu, people are not getting medical aid also.
When you're saying that Jammu people are not getting the medical treatment, in particular, you're fearful that your parents might not or may not, there's a fear component that is going in.
Yeah.
So let us just start with that. Okay, we can just say this fear. So Jayanti, I think we can start with that. Okay.
Yeah.
So Pavitra, just put your hands like this. So
Like
when you
what?
come to Soul's Temple workshop, I'll explain what it is. So right
Hmm.
now it's just a session so that we are getting out of whatever fear, anxiety, or any other emotion we have it covered around. Okay. So Jayanti, you're totally turned up. Okay. Yeah. You're in dark, Pavitra. So So this fear is my soul's temple. So just say it along with me. This fear is my soul's temple. So the fear that my parents might not get the medical attention is my soul's temple.
The
So the
fear
fear that
that
my parents might not get the medical attention is my soul's temple.
the fear
The
that my
fear
parents might not get medical attention.
is my soul's temple. The fear that my parents might not get the medical attention is my soul's temple.
My
The
soul's
fear that my parents might not get the medical attention is my soul's temple. The fear that my parents might not get the medical
medical
attention is
attention
my
is my
soul's
soul's
temple. So Jayanti, what are you going through when I'm saying this?
I also have fear, right? Like I should not get my second kid should not get, so that I can take care of that family. That fear is there.
So your fear is?
uh, yeah, how do I tell it?
Okay, so if you have to summarize that in one line.
COVID, I mean, this quarantine period passes smoothly, something like that. You can hear me?
Yeah, now I'm clear, totally clear now.
Uh, the fear that none of them more should get infected, or how do I say? I'm not getting one line.
So the fear that none of them, fear that who will get infected right now?
Me and my daughter should not get infected. Second one.
The fear that we might get infected is my soul's temple. So actually, Jayanti's husband is in quarantine. Thankfully, much better now. So that's where the fear comes. The fear that the fear that we might get infected is my soul's
Also,
temple.
that yeah, okay. The total fear is like this: should 14 days should pass in a good manner. No complication should come like that.
No complication for.
No complication in terms of health and all those for anyone, right? Yeah.
Okay. So the fear of having complications is my soul's temple. So the fear of having complications is my soul's temple. The fear of having complications is my soul's temple. Fear of having complications is my soul's temple. The fear of having complications is my soul's temple. The fear of having complications is my soul's temple. The fear of having complications is my soul's temple. So Pavitra, when we put the fingers like this, what happens is you're more present with it. So this is a symbol of soul's temple. So it seems when an acupuncturist had told that there are nerve endings to the fingers, and when you put it like this, you're more present. And something else also he said. Now I forgot. So if I remember, I'll tell you. Okay, so this forgetting is my soul's temple. This forgetting is my soul's temple.
I was about to say that actually. Like
What?
I'm because of loads of work now, like I have to keep cooking. So I'm forgetting like to off the stove or simple things I'm forgetting.
Okay, Pavitra, are you also forgetting something?
I forget to remove my mask also.
So this forgetfulness is my soul's temple. So this forgetfulness is my soul's temple. So keep on saying Pavitra, it's okay. You'll know. This forgetfulness is my soul's temple. 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 Okay, Pavitra, now can you just check how much is the fear now? So when you said that you were fearful for your parents and all that, if you
Yeah.
check the fear now, how is it now?
Better.
So we did rate it before, of course. Now, if we rate it from 0 to 10 scale, how much is it now?
Earlier, if it was 10, now it is probably 6.
Now,
Maybe 5.
so Jayanti, how are you?
I'm feeling better.
So Pavitra, now when you are
Yeah.
saying that it is 5, now when you're thinking about your parents or the situation or Jammu, how does it make you feel now?
Now the thought in my head is that till now they haven't got it. Why am I even thinking on those lines?
Super.
So my need to think of um
That my parents might get COVID is my source.
Just hold on. I need to take a call. Just hold on, please.
so that's not readiness for that. So my need to be not ready to listen is my soul's temple. My need to not listen is my soul's temple. My need to be not present is my soul's temple. My need to be not present is my soul's temple. My need to be not present is my soul's temple. My need to be not present in the situation is my soul's temple. My need to be not present in the situation is my soul's temple. My needs to be not present in the situation is my soul's temple. Okay, Jayanti, how is it for you?
Good, I'm good. Except that I'm physically
So 0 to 10
exhausted.
scale.
Okay, that is coming up. Physically exhausted thing is coming.
You want to be like that?
No.
To feel better. So the way you say, I was like, you're resigned, हाँ मैं ऐसी हूँ अभी रहने वाली हूँ. If you want to enjoy
No,
being
no.
exhausted, no, you enjoy. Or we will do something about it.
Yeah, we'll do.
Just say my need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to be exhausted is my soul's temple. Okay.
Okay. Can't you? I can't hear you.
Hello.
Yeah. You can hear me?
Yeah, yeah. So how is the exhaustion now?
Yeah. Maybe it got down 1 point, say like from 6 to 5 is what I am getting.
So let's do a few more times then.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now when you're
Sure.
looking at the exhaustion, so my need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple.
Correct.
My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. My need to feel exhausted is my soul's temple. Okay.
Yeah. Much better.
So it is 5, 4, 3. How much?
3.
So now what is it that is coming for you? Now you're looking at your husband, you're looking at the work, you're looking at your family.
Actually my concern now more than like family, now what thought is running is it is like people are way too scared. It's like a common thought I'm having now, like they should not be so much scared and face it with the positive attitude. Like even if I am trying to be positive, some or the other one calls up and is like, ये करो, वो करो, ये test करो. This is what I did. Suppose if they had got before. So I stopped taking calls. So yeah, I want to be at peace. So that we can say for the world something. The fear of COVID in all the people.
So now when you're seeing, okay, so now when you're seeing, around or the death and dying or something like, or the lack of bed or the oxygen, so much is going about lack of oxygen, the concentrator are not there, the ventilator is not there. So what does that make you feel? 'Cause I think whether we like it or not, we are seeing this.
Correct.
Right. So I have stopped looking at news, but WhatsApp is the news now, and we can't do away with WhatsApp.
Mhm.
We can't do away with the messages that are coming in, and whether we like it or not, we are a part of it.
Correct.
So when you're looking at all those messages, what does it make you feel?
Sad, definitely sad. Like if it is people that whom I know, it hurts me more, obviously. So just prayers. The next point, my mind goes to prayers. Oh yeah, situation should change.
So situation now is not in our hands, right?
Correct.
So what is it that we can think about right now with the situation? What would help us?
What would help us? Being positive, doing meditations, seeing some comedy stuffs, doing what you like, basically. And if you can't, take those WhatsApp messages or Facebook messages, don't see.
Yeah.
I just clear chat blindly sometimes.
Yeah, even I did once. I was so bugged up with the entire chat line. It just tuck, 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 tuck. I said, forget it right now. I can't handle those messages. So that's when this thought came up, let's be a part of solution, not the problem. So what can you, okay, let's come back to
In my status, I put I'm healing. I mean, I'm put we are healing. Sorry, not I am healing. So I didn't want to put like, we are sick or whatever. I want to use it. I wanted to use that word. So I got response for those messages. Like it's great, good, nice replies. In case I had put like, my hubby is COVID positive, we are sick, it would have been totally ulta because the calls that I'm getting is like as though some death has happened in the house. So
Yeah.
if I am saying that to myself also, I am
Jayanti has also already done, yeah, she's herself a wonderful healer and a therapist. So, but there are moments like when we were, having a chat, going through, we also need that support, that little support for us to get back to where we actually can take charge of the situation. Right. So, any doctor, any therapist, any healer, invariably, when we are going through, we also go through the same stuff. So, when I went for my dental, repair, I literally cried and I thought, I'm bad with it. And she said, कोई डॉक्टर भी आके बैठता है कोई भी आके बैठता है ही इज अ नॉर्मल पर्सन फॉर अस so you are going through what you have to go through it. I was like, okay, cool, because I felt I was way more sensitive, maybe. So maybe people are more receptive and they don't crib and show their emotions out there. So those moments, even as a therapist, we also need that little support for us to get back to our mindset, right?
Yeah.
So I'm happy to have heard that. So, Pavitra, coming back to you, you were saying something and I think she's still in the call. Okay.
Sorry, I had to go for another call. Yeah.
That's fine. So you were supposed to be distracted with your question, so you went out. So just say this distraction is my soul's temple. So when we are not ready to listen, so Jayanti knows that when we are not ready to listen, you will just go out, same point, same moment, you will just go out and you will come back and say, kuch to hua tha. So same. So when the person is not ready to listen, we know that it is something which we are not ready to listen at that particular moment at least. So yeah. So let's come back.
Yeah.
So we were, I think, with Jammu, your parents, where you thought it is my You said it's your
It was
thoughts.
my like I was wondering that touch wood my parents are healthy, nothing has really happened to them. But why am I thinking about it?
It's like
It's
thinking.
basically because other people around me were facing it. Like I told you, a friend of mine who lost a mother to COVID today and father-in-law 2 days ago. So listen, just about others are getting it does not mean that my parents will also get it. So yeah,
So what does it make you feel?
I'm little more relaxed.
So my need to feel relaxed is my soul's temple. My
Yeah.
need to feel relaxed is my soul's temple. My need to feel relaxed is my soul's temple. My need to feel relaxed is my soul's temple. But when you're looking at, as you said, you're near your friend's parents passed away. So same, in my immediate family, we are seeing few deaths and dyings. And it's like this. You see them today, within 2-3 days they are. So when you're seeing all that around, so what do you go through as a human being? What do you go through?
Helplessness, you can't do anything about it. It's
And what does that come to when you say you can't do anything about it?
like you wonder if there was anything that you could have done to help the situation out.
So can we just say the feeling of helplessness? Because we
Hmm.
really can't do anything. Right? So even if somebody is positive, he is in the hospital, you can't go near them, you can't see
Yeah.
them. Otherwise, so much has changed the world, right? So the moment we think somebody is in the hospital, it's like cut off, right? Uh, so there's a fear in me also as to how things are going to span out in future. We really don't know how long this is going to be normal, even if the vaccination is going on. Let's hope for the best, but क्या होगा कैसे होगा नहीं पता.
No
So
one knows.
fear of uncertainty is also there,
Hmm.
right? So can we just say this fear of uncertainty is my soul's temple? This fear of uncertainty is my soul's temple. 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 Okay. So Pavitra, now what sort of thought you're getting when you're thinking about your parents and anything else that is coming to your mind?
If you can't help it, you can't help it. Okay, क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें?
So my need to accept things the way they are is my soul's temple.
My
My need to accept the things as they are is my soul's temple. My need to accept things as they are is my soul's temple. My need to accept things as they are is my soul's temple. My need to accept things as they are is my soul's temple. My need to accept things as they are is my soul's temple. My need to accept things as they are is my soul's temple. My need to accept things as they are is my soul's temple. So, how does it make you feel now, Pavitra?
okay, honestly, okay. Not much difference, but okay.
Not much, पर है.
Yeah.
उसको रखना है. उसको रखना है कि छोड़ना है?
नहीं नहीं रखेंगे उसको.
रखना है. फिर रखो उसको. फिर रखो उसको.
Listen,
Enjoy.
someone is trying to
I
come
think
in
it's
class.
no, forget. I already kept, had admitted her once. She again went out. I mean, whatever. I think the internet or whatever issues. Now, when someone enters, it's no use because we have already covered halfway through the workshop. So that would be disrespectful to the work also we are doing.
Yeah.
So she can join some other time. It's okay. अभी आएंगे तो भी वो flow में अलग हो जाता है. So that's okay. So that's my learning. So, so now when you're thinking about your parents, your other stuff,
I'm comfortable.
Wow.
my need to be comfortable is my soul's temple. My need to be comfortable is my soul's temple. My need to be comfortable with the situation is my soul's temple. My need to be comfortable with the situation is my soul's temple. My need to be comfortable with the situation is my soul state. My need to be convertible with the situation is my soul's temple. My need to be convertible with the situation is my soul's temple. My need to be convertible with the situation is my soul's temple. My need to be convertible with the situation is my soul's temple. So it's like comfortable to convertible. So when we are in that comfort zone, from the chaos to comfort, then only we can convert it to something positive. So acceptance, and then from acceptance, you know where to go. So any situation also in our life when something is happening, the moment we are in acceptance of it, we are able to see the possibilities, see what actually can be done with it. So otherwise the mind is only in the chaos. Ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai, I can't do this, the anxiety, the fear, whatever is coming up in that particular moment. You can't be present to do what is required. It's an effort. So the moment something is happening, if we accept it, so Soul's Temple is one of the ways to accept, acknowledge कि हाँ ये हो रहा है. Now let me see what else can I do with it.
Okay.
So when we are comfortable, we can convert it probably. So that's where words sometimes just pop up. So comfort to convert. So, okay. So now Jayanti, how are you?
Good.
So now when you're looking at the situation,
Wait, I couldn't hear you.
what are you not ready to listen to?
I don't know what you told.
What are you not ready to listen to that if you listen to actually will bring more ease in your life right now? So what are you not ready to listen to? If you listen to Jayanti will bring more ease in your life. What is it?
Advice. That word came
What
up.
is it?
Advice. I don't want to
Advice.
listen.
What is Advait?
Advice.
Advice. Okay, cool. So maybe you can just hear the advices coming in and listen to, what you are supposed to listen to.
Super. Yeah. How does it get even better than
Yeah,
that?
so otherwise we end up listening so much afterwards, I wanted to tell you this, I want to tell you that, you didn't. So there are times I think it's difficult. So when we are going through that phase, at least we the people are not ready to, hear everything around the world and then decide. We know that there are choices and we are aware of what choices to pick up to make things easy for us, right? And actually somebody pops in, just somebody comes in to make that easy for us. So when you do even when you do Soul's Temple or when you do any other technique also, so as Pavitra was also asking before, so the blocks, so-called blocks or so-called whatever it is, they start to slowly melt away. It's like an onion peel. So you will see the peeling of the onions, and once all the peels are gone, you go to the core issue. And when we are able to go to the core issue, we are like, इतना हमने ऊपर रखा था इसके ऊपर, but इतना हमने रखा था समझने के लिए. That's a journey where we have to actually peel off. It might take, for some issues like this, for some issues it takes days, months, years. We don't know. It can be lifetimes too. So whatever issue we are facing, whether it is COVID, whether anything else, the moment we can come into acceptance. So this is one of the ways.
I love this point of yours, what you told. Going into acceptance.
Well, I love this point of view. So when I am not able to do, I have some friend calling up and saying, "Come out of it, Supriya." Unless you come out of it, you can't even think. So
Yeah,
it's amazing.
yesterday when I got the news, I panicked. What to do now? Where to keep? Which room? My daughter also is sick. 2 people are sick. So attached bathroom. All sort of thoughts were running in the mind. And then, as you said, someone comes to help. My brother came to help. Because my dad had COVID, he has recovered. So he knows
Now
that.
they understand what it
They
takes.
yeah. So he told, just blindly follow what I'm saying, and things will get solved. So today I have accepted and I'm just doing what he told. So I'm more at peace. I want to
So there
acknowledge
are
that.
people who have gone through, so it's better to follow the steps and see what we can add on to it to make it easy for us.
Correct.
Like we don't have to start from scratch now. We have the at least a framework of blueprint around with a lot of people.
Actually,
Right?
he told a line like, "Don't panic. Be vigilant."
Be
Yeah.
aware, be vigilant. Yeah, very true. Yeah. So whenever I see these messages, itna panic, itna ye ho raha hai, I'm like, is it really the requirement, or is it the panic that is creating so much havoc that they are the levels are dropping so much, and once the person is in hospital, now there is a point of view that it's very difficult. So we somewhere have cemented those thoughts.
Correct. I agree with you. Yeah.
So let's say this cementing of thoughts, at least for us, this cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple.
Yeah.
This cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple. This cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple. So this cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple. So this cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple. This cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple. This cementing of thoughts is my soul's temple. My need to cement these thoughts. It has become so concrete. So my need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. My need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. My need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. My need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. My need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. My need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. My need to make these thoughts concrete is my soul's temple. Okay, Pavitra, now when you look at the situation, mummy, papa, ye wo, how is it for you now?
Much better. Much better. Can't hear you.
ऐसे थोड़ा सा रखना है. सब चला जाएगा if I am happy, if I am enjoying the way it is right now, क्या हो जाएगा पवित्रा को?
I don't know.
So everywhere you want to hold on, so my need to hold on to whatever
Yeah.
it is, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
my need to hold on is my soul's temple. थोड़ा सा होना चाहिए ना, थोड़ा मिर्च होना चाहिए, थोड़ा तड़का होना चाहिए. Life cannot be so happy and beautiful. We should have these sorrows. We should have something where we feel like oh God, this is life sucks. Little bit. So my need to hold on to this is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to this is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to this is my soul's temple. My need to hold on to this is my soul's temple. Okay. So how is your holding on? You are on mute, dear. Oh,
Sorry.
you don't want to say it also.
No. Little bit. Someone had come, so I put it on mute. But otherwise, yeah.
Resistance
Ah.
to leaving it is my soul's temple. Actually, you still have a resistance. So it's a before line. So I'll just say again, my resistance to hold on, my resistance to release it is my soul's temple. My resistance to release it is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go in totality of it is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of in totality is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of it in totality is my soul's temple. अगर कुछ नहीं है, कोई fear नहीं है, you're not bothered about your parents, you're not worried about them. How will it for you, Pavitra, basically?
I probably feel guilty, yaar, honestly speaking, Supriya. Really. If I don't worry about them, I probably will feel that, are you even normal? The situation is also, in normal times, I would not. But the way it is, like, I'm hearing so much and there is so much happening. And then if I don't worry about them, then...
Actually have to be guilty. We should feel guilty क्योंकि हम दूर हैं. कम से कम और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Guilty तो feel करें हम. This is what I can do actually. So my need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. So thank you for that. How can life be fun, yeah? We need to have something, right? So my need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. My need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. If I'm not guilty, क्या बोलेंगे? इतना दूर रहती है, कम से कम हमारे लिए गिल्टी भी नहीं फील करती है, कुछ हमारे बारे में सोचती भी नहीं है कैसी बेटी है.
No, nothing like that.
So my need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. My need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. My need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. My need to feel guilty is my soul's temple. Okay. So Jayanti, you have to say anything?
Yeah, I want to say about gratitude. I'm doing a lot of gratitude now. I mean, though it is COVID situation, I'm quarantined and all those. Yeah, I was so aware. Okay, I didn't know I was aware. I had ordered all like in bulk, thinking it's going to be total. What is that lockdown in Chennai? So all groceries, I'm saying. I was so aware. 2 days before, I bought everything and kept it. And then I mean, I
Are
had
you
everything.
on?
Am I in mute?
So
No.
when you're saying you didn't know, I think you knew it.
May
You
unknowingly, maybe I knew. I don't know.
No, I could hear
no,
her.
no, we know it.
So
So what
I'm
will it take for
truly
you to
grateful.
acknowledge that somewhere you actually knew? You know, it's not like you knew like this in the cognitive
Correct.
mind.
Hmm,
So
hmm.
many times it happens that we are prepared for something which we didn't know, right? So acknowledge
Why
that
I'm
you
saying
were.
I didn't know was like just few days before I started writing soup recipes. I don't know why I started. Maybe for my dad to share with mom, I wrote some recipes. So now everything is helping me now. I'm so grateful for that.
So COVID is a time for all of us to self. It's a reset button. Last year we said it. Now I don't even know what to say. But it is a reset button for us. If we have not done it, it's time for us to self-reflect our life in every part of our life and see what needs to be, let it go. What needs to let go in whatever situation you are in relationships, with your parents, with your spouse, or with your anyone, with your so-called friend. If you had something, whatever pops up, just work on it. It's a reflection time. 1 year चल रहा है, अभी भी चल ही रहा है. I think it's a lifetime, but it's a deeper reflection maybe. So we say, the more you are in higher vibration. So this is a healing terminology we use. When you are in higher vibration, even if that comes, it just touches and goes. It does not actually affect you. So like with Jayanti, I'm sure yesterday and today there is a lot of release and relief happening. So with the healing and everything you're doing at home, right?
Yes, definitely.
So, so unknowingly, you created an atmosphere where we could have that with less disturbance from the outside world too, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So, of course, that is being said. We see a lot of people suddenly, praying to God. जिंदगी में शायद हमने किया नहीं होगा. But जब आन पड़ती है तो बेटा सबकी we all start praying, right? So the most atheist person will also do something in his own way. So this is a time for all of us to self-reflect and see where we are, what we can do to spiritually also grow.
Correct.
So acknowledge that part.
Yes.
Okay. So what else is coming up?
I'm actually feeling much lighter. Seriously.
Wow.
So that's unfortunately a side effect of attending these workshops. So people like me and even Jayanti, we don't lose an opportunity to attend. And COVID, last year when it started lockdown, at least I have been so busy with learning new skills, with with the counseling, and now with MA. And God knows how many workshops I attended in those times. सुबह Zoom चल रहा है, दोपहर को चल रहा है, शाम को चल रहा है, and so many workshops were going on simultaneously that we had to choose which to attend and which to leave. So much learning was happening for me. I can't even describe. So the way I conduct my workshops and sessions now is way different than what it was a year back. So much learning has happened for me. I learned Karnataka vocal, so I'm learning sitting at home right now. So otherwise, that takes, I'm sure, 1 hour of, half an hour of going and coming. So 1 hour, I'm sitting at home and learning. Now with MA classes also, imagine कहीं जाके पढ़ना है या weekend classes attend करने हैं. I'm like, oh God. So there is lot of comfort zone in certain areas,
Correct.
which I am like, ये खत्म हो जाएगा, normal life आएगा, oh God, again I have to travel. So for me, that is the biggest.
Oh, okay.
For me, that is the biggest fear. So if you ask me, it seems each and every one of us has a part of us which where we want to hold on to that.
Yeah.
So like
Correct.
Pavitra, you didn't know that you were supposed to feel guilty with it. So when we clear all those layers, that was a guilt. अरे ऐसा भी मैं सोचती हूँ. We don't know. So there are layers that we had to uncover to get to that part.
Yeah.
So everywhere we are trying to hold on to that part. Let us accept and let us let it go. Okay. So I release that part of me which is holding on to Corona. I release that part of me which is holding on to Corona. It's a resistance for me because I'm like, अरे यार अभी there's so many classes. सुबह 7 बजे आ रहे हैं, रात को 11 बजे आ रहे हैं. So I still feel a resistance in that. So whatever it is for you, so you can just say, this resistance to let go of this part of me is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go this part of me is my soul's temple. Whatever it is in your mind, my resistance to let go this part of me is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go this part of me is my soul's temple. Little better. My resistance to let go this part of me is my soul's temple. So how are you both feeling now?
Really nice.
So that is a side effect of attending the workshop. बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं होता है. So I was like, okay, let me start with whoever is showing up today, and you both showed up. So thank you so much for joining today.
Thank you for helping us out.
Yeah,
You're
thank you, Supriya.
I
Thank
enjoyed. So let's see where this takes us. So I'm planning few more, maybe once a week. Depending on the requirement, there is no hard and fast rule for that. So
Yeah.
that is the flexibility and fluidity I am supposed to have in me. That's it. So any last words which you would like to say?
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And I'll just say a few more lines and we will stop the workshop.
Okay.
So Pavitra, since you and Jayanti have joined, so and every workshop when we conduct, not only me, any person who is conducting such workshops, there is always a divine energy, there is always a divine source which is helping. So this particular, when we talk about Soul's Temple, we call Master Putumi. So let us just thank his energy, which is such a simple and beautiful way. Within 10 minutes, you are out of wherever you are, in whatever crap you are, you come out of that intensity at least. And that is the biggest thing that can happen. Anyone who is learning this, we don't need much of it. So this is a very I feel is unintelligent. You don't have to be intelligent. कोई intelligence की ज़रूरत नहीं. A few set of lines and you're done. Your life is set to be taken off. Okay. So Pavitra, you're my soul's temple. You're my soul's temple. You're my soul's temple. Jayanti, you are my soul's temple. You are my soul's temple. You are my soul's temple. Supriya is my soul's temple. I can see me. So that is the beauty of Zoom. Yeah, Supriya is my soul's temple. Supriya is my soul's temple. So this workshop is my soul's temple. This workshop is my soul's temple. So let us just thank the masters who are subtly present, helping me and you in our forward journeys. And whatever is best for our highest good, may that show up. Simple. So we'll close.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just leave a few lines in the
Sure.
group so
Sure.
that it sort of creates that energy
Yeah.
to start with. So
Yes.
thank you so much for joining today.
Thank you, Supriya.
Bye, Pavitra. Bye, Supriya.
Bye.